Experimental gardening. Welcome to our discussion on experimental gardening. Today, we'll be exploring the idea of pushing the boundaries of traditional gardening and trying out new methods, techniques, and tools to create unique and innovative landscapes. Experimental gardening is all about taking risks and daring to try new things. It's about pushing the limits of what is possible and coming up with innovative solutions to address challenges in gardening, such as climate change, soil depletion, and biodiversity. One of the key aspects of experimental gardening is embracing uncertainty. It's about taking the chance and leaving things to chance, rather than following a strict plan. This can lead to surprising results, as plants and gardens often respond in ways that were not anticipated. There are many ways to experiment with gardening. You can try out new plant varieties, techniques, and even habitats. You can experiment with different planting arrangements, soil types, and fertilization methods. You can also explore the use of technology and automation to enhance your gardening efforts. One of the most famous examples of experimental gardening is the Royal Botanic Gardens, Kew's Garden of Eden project. This started in the early 20th century and involved the introduction of thousands of alien plants into the gardens. The goal was to create a habitat that was both unique and unpredictable. And it has since become a global symbol of the power of gardening to transform and adapt to change. In conclusion, experimental gardening is an exciting and dynamic aspect of gardening that encourages creativity, innovation, and resilience. By pushing the boundaries of what is possible, we can create unique and thriving landscapes that are both beautiful and relevant in today's changing world. So, why not give it a try and see where your gardening experiment takes you? Thank you for hitting the like button, subscribing to my channel, and sharing my videos with your friends.